Understanding sabbatical leave, a deep dive. Hello everyone, and welcome to our language learning series. Today, we'll be exploring the concept of sabbatical leave. It's a phrase you might have come across in professional settings, and understanding it can be very beneficial. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of sabbatical leave. Sabbatical leave is a period during which an employee is allowed to be away from work, typically for 1 year. This concept originated in academic professions but has expanded to other fields as well. It's a time for employees to pursue personal interests, such as research, traveling, writing, or any other activities that they are passionate about but usually don't have time for due to work obligations. It's important to note that sabbatical leave is not just an extended vacation. It's a time for growth and rejuvenation, often leading to enhanced productivity and creativity when the employee returns to work. Taking sabbatical leave offers a multitude of benefits. For employees, it provides a much-needed break from the routine, offering time to rest, learn new skills, or pursue hobbies. This break can lead to increased job satisfaction, reduced burnout, and a fresh perspective upon returning to work. Employers also benefit, as employees often return with new insights, skills, and a rejuvenated sense of commitment. Moreover, offering sabbatical leave can make an organization more attractive to potential employees. Not everyone is automatically eligible for sabbatical leave. Typically, organizations have specific criteria, such as the number of years of service, the employee's track record, or the relevance and value of the proposed sabbatical activities to the organization. Additionally, there might be conditions regarding the leave, such as maintaining certain communications with the employer, or agreeing to return to the job for a specified period after the sabbatical. We hope this video has shed light on the concept of sabbatical leave and its significance in the professional world. It's a fascinating concept that offers a win-win for both employees and employers, fostering a culture of growth, learning, and balance. So, if you're considering a sabbatical, or just curious about it, we hope this information has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.